In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete KYC in Expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to make your first deposit onto your real account, and after you do that, you'll be able to do your KYC the following way. So go to your profile here on the left, and then you want to go to the bottom where it says Documents, okay? So click on that, and if you've never done a deposit onto your account, it's going to say no documents are required right now. Make your first deposit and update your profile information. So you have to go to the Deposit tab, make your initial deposit, and if you don't know how to do this, you can watch my tutorial on that. I have it as a separate video on my channel, and whenever you do this, you'll be able to go back to profile, documents, and then you'll be able to basically do KYC in here, or likely it's going to prompt you right away whenever you do your first deposit. So that's how to complete KYC. Then you're going to have to take some pictures of your documents, stuff like that, and you'll be good to go. Your KYC is going to be done. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.